If your Insignia TV picture looks stretched, zoomed in, or doesn't fit the screen, don't worry. I'll show you a few simple steps to fix it. And if this guide helps you, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy TV tutorials. Let's start by grabbing your Insignia TV remote. We'll walk through each setting together, and you won't need any technical experience to follow along. Press the home button on your Insignia TV remote to open the main menu. This is where we'll find the display settings. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to move through the menu until you find Settings. Then press OK to open it. Inside Settings, look for the Display or Picture section. Depending on your TV model, the menu name may be slightly different. Scroll through the available display options until you find Aspect Ratio or Screen Size. This controls how the image fits your television. Open the Aspect Ratio menu to see the available viewing modes. Each mode changes the way the picture is displayed. Try switching between normal, wide, zoom, and auto until the picture fills the screen correctly without cutting anything off. For most content, the normal or auto option provides the best balance and keeps the picture looking natural. Take a moment to check that faces look normal and that nothing is missing around the edges of the screen. If the picture still doesn't look right, open the picture settings again and confirm that no extra zoom feature is enabled. If you're using an HDMI device, make sure the HDMI cable is firmly connected to both the TV and the external device. You can also try plugging the HDMI cable into another HDMI port in case the current connection has a display issue. If you're using a streaming device or cable box, open its own display settings because it may also control the screen size. Set the streaming device to the recommended resolution that matches your Insignia TV for the best picture quality. After adjusting both the TV and the connected device, check that the entire picture is visible from edge to edge. Once everything looks correct, save your settings so the TV remembers your preferred screen size. Now your Insignia TV should display movies, shows, and games with the correct proportions and no cropped edges. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you adjust the screen size on your Insignia TV. Be sure to subscribe for more simple TV troubleshooting and setup tutorials.